This is part 1 on my restoration video on my RC Nitro car. I'm going over, bring this over to my friend's house today, and we're gonna disassemble the motor and get the flywheel unseized, which has been sitting for a year and a half not running. Work on the transmission and some electrical stuff on here, and hopefully get this bad boy running. And this is the scaled down version of what it looks like, but that's battery powered. Sucks. Rocks. Sucks. Hopefully, if we get this running by next week, I can make another video of it actually in action. This RC car would do about 50 to 55 miles an hour, depending on what gear ratio we set it at. Alright, out.